Okay, so first thing I do is actually go to the Walmart grocery app. I absolutely love this app. It's made my life simple and easy and convenient. So I've also already registered. So when you see it says Hello Kaida, that's my name. And you can always change the store. It says pick up from, and it has the Walmart. So sometimes I go to the one by my house, but sometimes I go to the one by my mom's house because it's convenient. When I pick my daughter up from school, I can just go and grab the groceries on the way. They always have the featured items section, and you can see what's like really trending, what's on sale, what most people are buying right now. And I'll go back from that. If you go on through, they'll show you things that you order all the time. Like you can see that I ordered the bottled purified drinking water. It's $174 for, the water, which is amazing price. So I always order that. And my family loves the fresh corn, so we order that. Let's just look through some of my essentials that we usually get. For the most part, we live a pescatarian life, so you see it's a lot of seafood in my section. Seafood, seafood, seafood. Or if it's not, it's vegetables. So you can always go and find the things that you ordered before that in your favorites. It says that I have 97 favorites. I'm going to go back here. Let's see. It also, if it's like a holiday coming up or something like that, so it's Oktoberfest. They know a lot of people drink alcohol during that time. They'll have that there. During Valentine's Day, they have like a lot of Valentine's Day items that you can order. Okay, and you can kind of just go through. It also has any national holidays or like months or special occasions. So this October is National Caramel Month. So they have all these delicious caramel snacks that I just may order some. Like I really need that, but may order some of them. They have the rollback prices, which is always good. So it's just like you're going in the store. If you ask me, in my opinion, it's all at your fingertips. You can order what you want. They have things that are recommended for you, and they have everything broken down into different sections. Meat, condiments, water, and if you scroll all the way back up to the top here, let's see. You can always look at the top right corner. It'll tell you your balance, what you have in your cart, and all of that, right? And it says reserve a time slot. So this is the most important part. Sometimes you can reserve on the same day and pick up, but 95% of the time that I've used this system, you have to order your groceries and pay for them a day in advance. So I get paid on Thursdays. So on Thursdays, sorry about that. The video actually cut off, but what I normally do on Thursdays when I get paid is I go ahead and order my groceries, and then on the way home, I set up the pickup time for between 5 and 6 o'clock, and I'm always at Walmart at that time, almost making it home. I stop in, get my groceries, and then come home. It's on the route home. It's convenient. It's not out of the way. It literally takes it's taken me 5 minutes to get my groceries. The last time I went, the person that was helping me, he was new, obviously. I had never seen him before, and it was very apparent that he was new. And it took me about 15 minutes. But even that is still convenient and very helpful, because if you go into a Walmart store, it's going to take you longer than 15 minutes to get all those groceries, go to the front of the store, stand in a line that I don't even know how long it's going to be that day, and get out to your car, put them all in. The people at Walmart, they do everything for you. They bring your groceries out. You have to look at the paper. They'll tell you if there's any substitutions or anything like that. And they load all your groceries into the car. Very convenient. While I'm talking about substitutions, let's just go into detail about that. So, for instance, if I get my Walmart water, this water here, let's add some. If I was to get this Walmart water here, right? And when they get ready to put all my groceries together, for some reason they just don't have it, they would give me a better brand. They would give me Dasani. They would give me, some type of water that is better than just the Great Value brand. So if you allow substitutions, it often works out for you, because if you're getting the Great Value brand, you're going to get a better brand if they don't have it. Some things I just want the brand that I want, and that's the one I like, and I'll say no substitutions on it. But if there is substitutions on anything that you have, they will let you know, and you can sign for it or you can deny it, which I think is great. This app is wonderful. I absolutely love it. Let's see. I absolutely love it. I love how they have everything broken down for you. You can find everything that you need. And if you cannot, for some reason, find what you need, then you just go to the bottom and go to the search button and you can type it in. You can see I've been searching some things that I wanted to get. But you can always see what you want to. Let's see. Let's check for, I want to check for pickles. Why don't we check for pickles? Okay. And then, oh, it's 102 items. So then you can go through and check what you want to check. Well, say for instance, this is actually an accident and I wanted to check for dill pickles. It's 86. They'll show you everyone, all the name brands, all the prices. You can add them. Okay, so for instance, I want to get this Great Value hamburger dill chip pickles, the 32 fluid ounces. So I add one, but actually I'm making something and I'm going to need like 5. So I just keep hitting the plus sign until I get 5. And as you can see, it also reflects it in the top right corner. It says I have 5 items in my cart with a total of $6.40. This app is magnificent. I cannot think of any other thing that would be better and easier and more convenient for you to get your groceries. The payment methods, I don't want to actually show that because it has my card on there, but you can add your card to it. My card's added because I do this all the time, so now it just automatically comes out of my card. Let's see. And if you refer or a friend or anything, then you can get $10 off of your groceries, which I think is wonderful. I'll have an app. Actually, I'm sorry. I'll have a code below in the description box for people to add the app. As always, thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share all of my videos. And also, don't forget, look in the description box today to make sure you get $10 off your groceries at Walmart. I have the link below. Bye!